You know, technology has made our lives a lot easier since I was a kid.
Tell me about it.
That's what I'm trying to do. All right, let's say, for instance, you're going to pick up your buddy to go to the big game against your crosstown rivals. Badgers versus Wombats. Wombats!
We kicked y'all butt senior year.
Okay, everybody knows you guys paid off the refs. Anyway, you pull up to your buddy's house in your souped-up muscle car.
I thought you had a 20-year-old hand-me-down hatchback.
Potato, potato. If I'm driving it, it's a muscle car, baby.
Okay, barf.
Anyway, you're at your buddy's house, but there's just one problem. How do you let your friend know you're there?
I would historically be on time.
I like the old door slam trick. It's when you act like you're getting out your car, but you really don't. So that way you don't gotta walk all the way up. Just make the noise. Choo, choo, choo.
Okay, or you could just be on time.
You know, I was always a fan of just honking my horn.
That's super rude, David.
What? No. Look, I would just barely tap it. Twice. The old double tap. I'm here. See?
That's rude.
Anyway, connectivity has seriously changed the game today. This would have been way easier.
You think you could just go around in life just honking at people?
Yeah.
Or you could just be on time.
Or here's an idea, be on time.